right, hi everyone. Welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, we're going to be decorating an Easter basket. Come on with me, guys. All right, so there's one thing that I wanted to show you, and that is if you've gone to the Dollar Tree, okay, and let me just put this over here because I am so excited. So I was in the plus section. I don't know why it seems so dark in this area right now. So I was in the plus section and I saw this. So I just thought it was just a regular peep. But I'm going to open this in front of you because it's not just regular peep. It is a set of 4 egg containers and they're all shaped like peeps. So I said I'm gonna open this in front of them because you could actually stuff these and give these away as gifts. So let me also tell you what this video is about. So this video is a part of a collaboration called Decorate an Easter Basket, and that's being hosted by myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, and Jennifer at Home. So we're just giving you some ideas on how to decorate many different kinds of Easter baskets, and it's not just limited to kids, but it's limited to like family members. They make such great gift ideas, and so we're gonna give you some inspiration. So let's get started. Let me open this. And then I'll show you the other items that I purchased from Dollar Tree. Well, I am absolutely loving the peeps. So you see what I'm saying? So the next one is pink. Then you open the pink and then you have the blue. I am just loving this. And look, we have a purple one. Oh my goodness. I think I'm gonna go back and get some more because these would make such wonderful. You can use them as gifts. I'm gonna use them as decor pieces, guys. So you have the lavender one, okay? That is so adorable. I had no idea. I think I saw a video and I was so happy. Look at this. So you have them in step down. I mean, they all step down because they were all in that big yellow one. So I cannot help myself. So here's the pink one, and then you have these yellow ones. I'm not going to go ahead and use these for like to stuff them and give them away, but aren't they absolutely adorable? So let me show you what they look like. I'm using mine for decor. So here is the pink, then we have the blue, and then we have the purple. That is so adorable. So let me move this to the back. I'm such a baby when it comes to these type of things. So I'm gonna decorate this around the house. Now I can show you the Dollar Tree stuff. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna use or what I'm not gonna use, but look at the size of this bag and all these Easter eggs. And right up at the top, you see the gold Easter egg. So you got a whole lot of eggs in this. It's 30 pieces for $1.25. I think that's a great buy. Then I decided to get here. This one is a bunny rabbit, so I like the face on this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you this one, and I like the lamb. Isn't he so cute? So we're gonna use that. Now they have these in the candy section, the jelly beans, and I thought this was adorable. It has orange jelly beans, and it's in the shape of a carrot kind of bag. So I got 2 of those. I'm only going to be making 2 to give you some ideas, and then we got some of the gold. I'm telling you, I don't have enough light, and I don't have a ring light either, guys. So I gotta work on that. So anyway, I got some gold, and they're not paper. They're like that shiny kind of. And then I decided to go get the shiny shreds, but the gold shiny shreds, but it's not paper. So then I'm absolutely loving these bows, and can you believe there's 3 of them? So there's 3 of them. I love the curlies. So, and I did get some cellophane paper, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna use that, guys. So I did get this basket right here. And I do like the pink. I am gonna be reusing this maybe to decorate something outside. And then I saw this. So now I am absolutely loving. All right, I gotta get this off of here. Okay. I'm loving that that bunny because you can see through it, and it's literally meant for you to go ahead and stuff it and give it and give it away. Like with the candy and stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and start with this one. So idea number one. So we're gonna grab a little bit of these shreds. We don't need all of this stuff, guys. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit just to put in here. Okay, this should last you quite a bit. Depends on what you're putting in there. Now remember, you have to be careful because we have to be able to close this. So then I thought, all right, so we're gonna use the lamb. Okay, so, I don't know, let me see. Let me cut this. All right, such a big tag. Oh, I know, because you can write the name on there. It says this belongs to, but I'm gonna cut it because I just want, so we have the lamb, which I'm gonna place right there in the center. And then we have the carrots. All right, so let's see. Do we wanna put the carrot in there first? Sure. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do the carrots, but I do know I'm gonna do the eggs. So, even if I don't stuff the eggs, you guys can stuff the eggs. You can put anything you want in the eggs. So let's see. I think I'm gonna do some blue eggs. This is just an idea. Remember, guys, you can put anything you want in your chocolates. You could do anything. I'm just trying to give you an idea. And if you should see these in the Dollar Tree, pick them up because I think they also had them in pink. And this is so much fun for me, guys. So we're gonna put the lamb up higher, right where the head area is. And then I'm gonna put some, well, I guess we can do a purple egg and a blue, a purple egg, and then a blue. And if you have any chocolates, you can go ahead and place some chocolates in there. And I think that's so pretty, guys. So then I'm going to close it. So it seems like I should be turning that lamb around. Yep. All right, so we're gonna put some of those shreds back in this one. And then we're gonna put the lamb right where the head would go. This is so adorable. Now, I guess I'm gonna stick with purple and blue eggs. Purple and blue eggs, and then this blue one right here in the center. And there's so many things that you can put in here, guys. So there is a piece of tape there. Now we're gonna close it. Okay. And see, I didn't even realize that you can, because of the dome part over here, I can go ahead, let me open it back up. I can go ahead and put some more eggs. So guys, I'm just trial and error with you guys. And let's see. Trial and error. And so to give you an idea, guys. You can put anything you want in here. Remember that. So there it is. Isn't that adorable? I am loving it. So we're going to come over here, and because this is deeper, so here you have the rabbit. Kind of reminds me of the peep a little bit, but anyway, we're going to go ahead and put some of these shreds in here. Okay, I may as well just drop it all in there. So I'm not going to tie this with the cellophane like I originally wanted to, because I have other items that I'm going to put in here to give it away. So who knows, I might take it to school and give it away to somebody, one of my team members. So now we have the gold shreds in there. Then we want to put the bunny in here. So let me cut this, see if I can pull that off. And then I'm going to cut this. All right, so we have the rabbits. And then we have the 2 carrots with jelly beans, one on one side, one on the other. Oops, the weight of those jelly beans. Okay, right. And then we have some Easter eggs that we're just going to drop in there. Maybe I should move it to the front, put some Easter eggs in the back. So that is adorable. And let's see. These are pretty heavy, these jelly bean carrots. And if I wanted to, let me go ahead and take one of those. Okay. So remember, guys, the reason why I didn't wrap it in cellophane is because I want to give this to one of my team members. And I'm just giving you an idea, really, some inspiration here. And you can go ahead and stick that bow anywhere. I think I might stick that bow on the ear, maybe. We'll just stick it over here on the side. So this is so pretty. And so what I wanted to do was just fill this up for one of my team members. So I'm going to be putting other things in there, but I just wanted to give you an idea. You have this that you can stuff and give it away, or you have the basket. Then don't forget to go to Dollar Tree and pick up those peeps. They are absolutely adorable, guys. I hope that I inspired you in some kind of way, or at least gave you some ideas on how and what to put in the Easter basket. Now this is more for a younger, like a child, but I don't know, I'm a big baby, so something like this would make me happy. And then I absolutely love this, guys. You can put anything that you want in here for an adult, and this one, because I'm going to use this for one of my team members. So all right, so I thought it would be a good idea for me to show you what else I got from the plus section. Well, this is one of the egg topiaries. Now, I'm going to DIY with this, but I have to show you what this looks like put together. I think this is a beautiful item. If you want to weight it down and put it outside, you can. Let me go ahead and move this out of the way. Okay, so let's see how this works, guys. So this is an egg topiary. Let me go ahead and move the let's see, how do you do this? You snap it into place. Okay, so let me go ahead and move this camera up. All right, so it snaps into each other. Now remember, if you're going to use this, well, wait a minute, there's no bottom to this. So I would just use this in the house, guys. I think I might have seen somebody DIY this where they made one of the eggs in gold, which I think it was the top one, but this is the egg topiary. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie a ribbon around this. Hold on. And so I thought it would be cute to finish using this ribbon with the hearts on it, conversation hearts. And let's see. Then I may turn around and paint this in gold. So I am gonna butterfly this. And we're gonna do some long butterflies. Then I'm gonna come over to this, the top egg. Now, if you're gonna get ribbon, guys, try to get the ribbon where it's the same on both sides because it's so hard to twist. It's so hard to twist and make a bow and have the same design on both sides. It's so much easier versus not having it, not having the same design on both areas. Twist until we get this the way we like it. Okay, all right. So I think we're okay. Isn't this beautiful, guys? I am loving it, and because it has a wire, you can kind of poof it up and it'll stay. Look at that. So this is just temporary, guys. So isn't that absolutely beautiful? So you can put this Easter egg thing by your door or any way that you would like in your house. And so we have the peeps and we have the Easter baskets, and we are doing great. I put the Easter baskets away already, guys. I couldn't help myself. So there is the Easter eggs. Okay, and there's my peeps in the background, the Easter baskets I put back. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Bye.